What's going on, guys? And I'm doing my intro at the end of the day because I'm filthy dirty. So today we got to take a little bit of time through everything else, and we managed to get a lot of stuff done. Let me tell you, I can't wait for you guys to follow this video along and see everything we got done. This thing is looking amazing. And for a little sneak peek, I'll give you
I'm building and I walk around.
let Papa go. Because what he's doing right now is the biggest pain in the ass on this whole car. I think I'd rather restore another one before I'd have to do this.
What is that?
It's the cotter pin.
No, it's not in it.
Grease.
Sheila, I'll just ask the question for her.
No.
Okay.
Bye. So, while he's doing that, I'll show you the fun that it is. Oh, goodness. Okay, so on these hubs, you have a hole. That hole will line up once you get the nut in the right area. So then you'll have to slide this in. Once you get that lined up, find the hole, slide it through. Then you have to reach on the other side here and actually bend the cotter pin to get it to lock in. What a pain.
Wished I could see that. I can't find a thing.
Yeah, you still got the grease in there.
Got it.
You got it? Holy crap. That's ridiculous. Completely ridiculous. I got it. There it is. Holy Moses. All that just to get that off of that.
Somebody drinks white wine, right?
I really don't want to have to replace the wheel bearings.
Why, them quarter pins come right out. There, I caught it.
Nailed it.
Put it right in the box where I want it to.
Yeah, be beautiful.
Blue black pearl.
Okay.
Phantom black pearl.
All right, we have a rotor.
It's on time.
Okay, so here's the lower. outro.
Excuse me?
Now I need to do an outro.
See you on the flip side.
I'm getting there. Relax.
Okay.
Relax. Don't ruin it.
Okay.
All right, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the ride. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing everything getting done. And as you can see over here, we got the entire front suspension put back together. It needs touched up. It's got a few dings and whatnot, but calipers, brakes, entire front suspension just needs tightened up. Both sides. Yeah, I'll just kick that around. It's fine. It's rather interesting how the brake pads work in this, but we'll save that for another day. All the rails are painted. We got the gas tank installed. And then over here, in my spare time, yeah, I know, funny, right? I got all the paint work for the interior done. So all I have left is the trunk, which I can actually do with the body on the frame. So I'm getting the plans together, trying to get a few friends, and we're going to try and get this body put on in the next couple of days. So hopefully you chill out. Hopefully you enjoy this. As always, we'll see you on the flip side. Remember to
What?
like, comment, subscribe.
Remember to like, comment, and Haley, subscribe.